You start that process, make sure there's an oven free. Because if there's not, then it's just going to sit there and not do anything. So you want to make sure you get the entire process done while you know there's oven open. So I grabbed this oven this morning. It's not done yet, which is a little embarrassing. But, so it's going to be really hot. And what it is, so this is the original oven. And that's a new digital oven. This is analog oven. Off, low, medium. You want to usually have it at medium, and then high, and back to off. Right here, you always want to bake it at 105 degrees centigrade. There's a line here that tells you where that is, so make sure. Most people don't even move it, because soil is mostly baked in this one. Weeds are usually baked in that one. So most people don't even move it. And you don't have to worry about this one. So these are going to be really hot when you open the oven, but you want to weigh them as soon as possible, because as soon as it's out of the oven, it's going to start attracting the humidity in the room. So if you can cover it with the film or a lid if possible. They have these lovely things to get them out. So this isn't finished baking, there's still a little bit of water. It's only been in there a couple hours. I was kind of hoping to have it pseudo done. But let's say it's done. Let's say it's dry. So you make sure your oven's off. Oh, and when you use the ovens, make sure you write it down so they know who to contact if something goes wrong. Okay? There's a log. Okay. So they're very hot. It's all done. It looks a lot, inside the beaker it looks like the desert. Bad soil.
So now do you have to ensure that it's dry, do you have to let it set, reweigh it,
So
and then cook it for like another hour or something?
it's dry. So 24 to 48 hours. You can usually tell if it's dry or not. It's like when you're out in the desert and you're stepping on the crust and it's just dry and it cracks under your feet. That's what you're looking for. And that's usually the 24, 48 hour mark. If you have a lot of water like this will take about 48 hours. If you have a little bit like this, 24. So, you have it here. Yeah, that's still hot. Clear it. And then we are going to weigh it. And then once we weigh that, we are going to subtract what we get from that with the original weight of the beaker, and that tells you how much soil you collected. And it can be anywhere from 0.01 to all the way up to 1 gram. I've had those days.
So actually, you subtract the empty beaker from that. I think you said it the opposite direction.
Sorry, you know what I mean.
Yeah.
If you get a
but for
negative
posterity
number,
in this video.
if you get a negative number, you did it the wrong way.
And just multiply it by -1.
I've had some weights go negative on me, even though there was soil in the ground. So that could just mean, I honestly never figured out what that meant, and I just called it a statistical error.
Usually it's due to
The weight. Yeah. There are ways to recalibrate the scale, and there are weights over on that side to check if they are calibrated correctly. They're not going to be official, but you can at least check. And so that's at least helpful if you get like some weird numbers. So, and as you can see, as it cools down, it gets heavier. It's weird. Anyway, so that's kind of the down and dirty part of the training. Do you have any questions? I wish I could have given you a longer training.
Why are you leaving us for Washington?
Because no one loves me here. So I'm leaving. I'm running away.